What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Yeah, yeah, my mic was muted because I like leave the stream up, and so I like mute my mic. So yeah, it's muted. What's up, everybody? What's up, Introvert? What's up, Bob? What's up, Henry? Hey, Rodney. What's up, man? Yeah, thanks for. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, I do have audio now. Audio is actually working. Yeah, I muted the mic because I'm dumb and I didn't check it. But yeah, I didn't really say much. I just said what up to everybody. I didn't really do too much prep today, as like I said in the earlier. Old people can't do technology. That's me, dude. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just like smashing the keyboard, and then eventually I start streaming. Um, yeah, so I'm just like looking back in the chat what people want to work on today, that type of stuff. Yeah, where have you been, Pokar? I have not seen you. Oh, is it 89 more subs? Dude. Yeah. Dude, we are finally up to 4,000 watch hours. I just got 4,000 watch hours today. So that means all we need is 89 more subs and then we're golden. I mean, then I'm real. Then I'm like an actual YouTube channel. I'm not just like a dude making videos. So that would be super sick. What's up, Neil? Good to see you back, bro. Yeah, like if you have any buddies who you think you want to go to specialized high schools with, then yeah, tell them about this channel. It'll help them out. And then it's always better to go to schools with people you know. You know what I mean? I don't know. Do I sound the same? Do I sound a little sick? I feel like there's something in my throat. But square and quadratics, we could do that. Okay, April, you got it. Yeah. So if you guys have any other accounts that you could sub, I would super appreciate that. I know it's like I'm like begging for subs or whatever, but yeah, I would love, love, love to get to 1,000 before the actual like SHSAT season happens. You know what I mean? Hold on, let me like cough a second. Dang. Yeah. Oh, all your buds are already in specialized high school? Dude, that's awesome. I have to like cough again. Hold on. Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. So let's see here. The first thing that you guys mentioned that you want to work on are non-essential modifiers. So we can actually do that. Let me see here. Let me see. Yeah, April, that's pretty true. But I super appreciate that. Thanks, man. Just 89 more subs, and I'm actually a real YouTube channel. That'd be crazy. Okay, so let's work on non-essential modifiers. First, we have to figure out what they are, and just as like a general definition before we jump into it, um, non-essential modifiers are modifying phrases. Like they modify what we know. I made a video about it if you're still kind of confused. So let's just jump into it. Here's the first. The principals punish the new janitor, flexing his position's authority, right? So that's the question. What needs to be fixed, if anything at all? Thanks. Pokar is a real G. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, it's like when Pokar was like going through his accounts and subbing, I was like getting all these notifications. It was funny. Yashin, we could do some reading comp. I just can't do it today because it takes so much prep, and I did not do any prep today. So, yeah. Oh, I guess I do need. So there's two things wrong with this sentence. Yeah. Jordan pointed out the first, which is that I do need an apostrophe here. Thanks, April. I appreciate that. Um, yeah, Rodney. Yep. Yep. Okay, yeah, people are coming in with the answer there. That's nice. Okay. So yeah, this is the modifying phrase, flexing his position's authority. Now, right now it's next to the janitor. And it makes it seem like the janitor is flexing his position's authority, and that's probably not what's going on here. So yeah, we are talking about the principal. So now we put the non-essential modifier next to the noun that it belongs to. It's the principal that is. Yeah, exactly, Tammy. Yep. Yeah. Oh my god. I need to like go to the ER or something. Yep, geek. That's exactly it. Yeah. And that's true, Henry. Everything after the comma is not essential. So this is not essential. What does that mean? I can take it out of the sentence. The principal punished the new janitor. That's cool. But it gives us, it modifies what we know about the situation when we know he's doing it because he's flexing his position's authority. He's basically like, I'm the principal, I'm the top position in the school, so I'm going to tell everybody what to do. That kind of vibe. Let's go to this next one. This is the second and only one that I've prepped, by the way. Jason watched and listened as the boar screeched and tore apart the cardboard box quietly. To answer your question, Bob, it's a lot closer to the SAT grammar section, if you ever been around that. So is this good to go, guys? What do you think about this one? Yep, Tammy kind of got to the thing of it. Notice we're ending with a non-essential. You could, and I'm going to. This is actually just like a adjective, but the way that it's written right now is a non-essential modifier. So yeah, Rodney's absolutely right. Yeah, exactly. Cool. So yeah, we can say that Ken quietly. Ooh, we don't even need that. Ken. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Sorry, dudes. Quietly. I'm just. Why is this so hard today? Everything is so hard, bros. Okay. Yep. There you go. Or you could put it after listen, like Jordan is suggesting. Right. Or like what Adana says, put the quietly right after Jason. And now we know Jason is quietly watching, just because logically it doesn't make sense that a boar is screeching and tearing apart a cardboard box quietly. You know what I mean? Do you spell quietly like that? Yeah, isn't this how you spell quietly? I hope so. Yeah, exactly, Mustard. Yeah, so you have to be looking out for that. There's an example I use all the time where it's like, um, uh, oh, actually, no. Let me figure out how to write this. Um, um, all right. Okay, cool. So here's an example of a sentence starting with a modifier. Pokar, your life is a lie. Yeah, well, Ken, we're working on ELA, bro, so jump in. Oh, I probably should. Yeah, I also have a ton of ELA videos, dude, so if you want to like check through my account or whatever. Yeah, Tammy. Yep, Tammy and Rodney are absolutely on it. Right. Right, exactly, April. That is a question you should be asking yourself for sure. Yep, Pokar. There it is. Yep. Okay. So yeah, this is our modifying phrase. And so, excuse me, right now it's modifying John D. Or, I mean, we wanted to modify John D. Sorry, right now it's modifying the desk. So working late into the night, the desk? The desk can't work late through the night, dude. So yeah, we do have to put, let's see, I would just, actually, I'm just going to rewrite this underneath it. Can you guys see it? Yeah. All right, cool. So yeah, now we have this non-essential modifier modifying our boy John D, and that's what's going on. Yeah. What is an adjective is modifying in a situation similar to this? What do you mean, April? Where do you get materials? You could email me, Yashin, and I can send you some materials for ELA, bro. I got you. Yeah, Saki, exactly. You got to put John D up in front. Mm-hmm. Yep. That's hardworking. That's one hardworking desk. Let me see. Let me see if I can kind of throw you guys here. Oh my god, I feel like my brain is like being in like a crock pot right now. Yeah, dude, I think I'm sleep deprived, not just the desk, Sagi. Yeah. Let me see. What would be a good non-modifying phrase? Oh, okay. Okay. Um, okay. This is not a good sentence, but yeah, I just want to talk about this. Um, it's okay. Um, uh, Buoyancy. Um, um, uh, hold on. Finding what an adjective or a non-essential modifier modifies. So the definitive way of finding it is what's the nearest noun. Um, what's up, Sport Show? Yeah, exactly. We're doing non-essential modifiers, but my brain is like fried right now, so I'm like trying really hard to do bad sentences or really good sentences. You know what I mean? John Boyancy, who, right? Exactly, Pokar. So, okay, actually, you know what? Oh my god. Okay. So John Boyancy took the coat, a tailor for hire, and found a way to make it special. So the modifying here is a tailor for hire because it's surrounded by commas. A tailor, yeah. Thanks, Leon. Yeah. So is this good? Tailor for hire in the front. Okay, so we could do that. Let me actually do this whole thing. So we could just fix this up and just get rid of this and put a tailor for hire. Yeah, this actually works. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah. So you could throw it in the front like this, no problem. You could also just take the non essential modifier straight up and just put it right after. But either way, he's going to be the nearest noun to both of these. So generally, that's right, Bob. So generally, the noun is right before the non essential modifier, but sometimes if the non essential modifier starts the sentence, it's the noun right afterwards. Yeah. So that's how this one goes down. Um, this is not like a super highly tested concept. Like you're not going to see this like all over the place on the SHSAT. You might see like 2 or 3 questions at most that test this, maybe even 1 question that tests this. You know what I mean? So yeah, exactly, Mustard. They modify a part of the sentence. If you guys still have trouble with this, let me duck this out. So if you guys still have trouble with this, like, oh, actually, let me stop streaming and start again. Because if you guys have any questions about this, we can, you guys can check the video that I made on it. I made like oh my gosh, I made a modifier video. How do I even spell modifier? Is that how you spell it? Yeah, so check it out in the ELA playlist. So yeah, there is more information on it. There's like some questions you can do and like stuff like that. Can we have an editing passage? Yeah, we probably can. So yeah, yeah. So yeah, what the ELA passage looks like, Bob, you have 9 to 11 ELA questions. And then the rest are going to be reading comps. Let me see the actual like what the how many editing questions, editing passages questions. Let me see here. I just forget that number. Yeah, it's been a long day, bros. I'll tell you that. I'm like barely alive. Let's see. This thing is so long. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. So yeah, they really have shrank it. There used to be a ton, like maybe 20 editing questions, but now there's only 9 to 11 ELA questions. The first like 4 are going to be like fix a sentence. And then anywhere from like 5 to 7 are going to be editing a passage. So that is the editing part of the ELA. But then that means that there are 46 reading comp questions. Okay. So yeah, that's something you need to be aware of. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, there's going to be so many reading comp questions where you can't really ignore the reading comp. And one thing that I've been kind of like telling a bunch of my students, and one thing that you guys should recognize as well, is it's reading comp. You have to oh, thanks for the sub, Ashvac. Thanks for the sub, bro. Yeah. So, yeah, you have to comprehend the passage. Like, I have a lot of students who are like super fast readers, and they read a passage, and I'm like, what was the passage about? And they generally tell me, but you really got to comprehend it, dude. Because they throw, oh, thanks, Bob. Yeah, because they throw really kind of complex narratives. Yeah. So yeah, they can be tough, Crunchy, that's for sure. But definitely understand the reading comprehension passage, or else you're not going to answer those questions. I mean, generally it should be about 12 minutes per passage. You should use the majority of time reading it and really memorizing what's going on in the passage. So when you get to the questions, it's just like bang, 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 and you actually can make up time that way. But if you like don't really read it and skim it, and then you're going to the question, you have to go back to the passage, go to the question, go back to the passage. Okay, question, go back to the passage. You're going to be burning time. So yeah, exactly. Yeah, if you can read fast and barely understand the text, that's super talented, Tammy. Whoa, are you telling me you can quickly skim something and just only kind of know what it's saying? So yeah, actually, let me be very explicit about this. So dudes, by the way, that's another pad. Okay. So let me show you a little bit of strategy here. So the first 4 cues are going to be sentence editing. And those are pretty straightforward, right? Then you're going to have anywhere from questions, from 5 to 7 questions of paragraph editing. For this, and this is just like strategy, skim the paragraph and then go to questions. And you can always check back, because this editing part, if you read the paragraph and then do the questions, you're going to have to go back to the paragraph anyways, because they're asking about sentence structure. And if they ask you a question about the paragraph in the passage, paragraph, should have said passage editing. Sorry, dudes. I don't know where my mind is today for sure. But yeah, you can go back and check, and it's no problem on your time there, dude. Yeah. So let's see here. Long as you read carefully. Yeah, exactly. Cool. So that's the editing part. Then we get into, so this is like editing. And then we get into reading, where you have to read. And this one is kind of interesting. So they opened up what the reading comps can be about. We've talked about this on the channel before, but they could be journal entries, they could be stories, they could be novels, they could be poems. They might even have 2 poems on your thing. They could be biographies. They could be snippets from newspapers. Basically, they're going to like really mix up what you are going to be seeing on the reading comp section. They're going to make it much, much harder. So make sure that's going to be about 48 to 46 questions ish. I did not do that math right at all, did I? Whatever. You guys get what I'm saying. 50 to 48 questions. And the key here is comprehension. Even with poems. Okay. So yeah, this is the structure of the reading section. So yeah, just be aware that's what you're up against. What's a good percentage score to get to for the SHSAT from Geek? Well, for math, you generally want like a 90% if that's your strong subject. So basically, the strong subject, you want a 90%. Oh, yeah, Ishani, if you have problems with being interested in passages, know that that's them playing you, because they make boring passages on purpose, because they're like, yeah, people aren't going to want to read this. And they do that on purpose, because if they made all the passages interesting, kids would get really great scores. So they actually put really boring passages for a reason. And that reason is to demoralize you, to be like, yeah, don't do this. Don't read this. Yeah, just skim it. It's so boring. Like they do that on purpose. Yeah. So just be aware that they're doing it on purpose. It's not you not being a good student because you get bored or you're not interested. No, that happens to everybody, dude. They really do it. Yeah, they're not supposed to be fun. Exactly, Muster. Yeah. Wiz is gonna get a 700. Oh no, Neil's gonna get a 700. That's nice, dude. Calling it out. I like that, dude. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get a 2000 on my SHSAT. A grandma and a cat. Yeah, I heard about that one. I heard that was kind of weird, actually. On making paper. Yeah, that's so boring. Yep, exactly, Pokar. To have a shot at Sty, you have to be like absolutely lights out in one of your sections, like really good. And then the other section just has to be like pretty standard. Okay. So yeah, we haven't really done too much in this stream. I'm sorry, dude. I'm just like talking shop. So who was it? I think somebody dropped this question earlier and I thought it was a really good one. I'm not even using my ruler, dudes. All right. First real math question of the day. What's the area of this shape? Yeah. Yeah, one kid did get a 702, April. Oh, what's your question, April? I didn't even see it. No, for April, for the editing, you don't need deep understanding, just the main idea. Yeah. For reading comp you do, but yeah. Dude, that's a good score, Jordan. Keep in mind that was only like 19 questions on each section instead of 57, so it's much more of a grind. Yeah, there's a ton of secrets other than practice with Shawnee. Okay. That's an X. Sorry, introvert. I saw you change that answer, Tammy. That's too good. 3 red, 3 X. Okay. Neil, I got you. Bob. Wow, Bob. You could have simplified it, mate. But 8 out of 8. Yeah. Oh, you could think of it like a square. That's very interesting, Pokar. That is extremely interesting. Yeah. That is very interesting, actually. Yeah. So Roddy's got. Okay. Okay. All right. Lovely. All right. Let's cut this one off because I want to go over this. So I will show you guys what Pokar meant by his comment, which was a really interesting comment. But I'm going to show you just the how do you say, the non-fancy way of going over this. So to find out the area of a triangle, we have to find out its height. And since this is equilateral, we know that that's 3x and we know that this is 3x. So what we're dealing with is the Pythagorean theorem. Now, if you're familiar with 30, 60, 90 triangles, then more power to you. But for those of you who are not, you're going to have to use a Pythagorean theorem. Keeping in mind that the squared goes to the x and the 3. Cool. Now I subtract 9x squared from each side. Cool. So here we are. B squared equals 27x squared. We're going to take the square root of each side, and we're going to see what 27 breaks down into. Breaks down into 9 and 3, and that's 3 and 3. So what b equals is 3x rad 3, because the square root of x is x. So that's what b equals. Cool. And if you know 30, 60, 90 triangles, you knew that coming, didn't you? Yeah, exactly. So that's our height. Now, remember, 1/2 base times height. That's our equation. So let's get it. I'm using 6 for the entire base here. Okay. So I'm going to take that. So it's going to be okay. Did I do something wrong? How did I get a different answer than everybody else? How did I? What happened, bros? Yeah, that is true, Rachel. That is true. How did I get a totally different answer than all of you guys? What is going on? There'd be 36 x squared divided by 2 would be 18x squared. What did I mess up? Bruh. Bruh. I know for a fact that this is 3x rad 3. I know that for a fact. So how did we all fail? Am I just right and you guys are all wrong? That's so rare. No way. Because, yeah, this is 3x rad 3. This is definitely 6x. 1/2 base times height. The base is 6. This is 3x rad 3. You multiply that. This is one term. Yeah, the answer is 9x squared rad 3. Bruh. Bruh. Oh, introvert. That's right, too, bro. April was right. What's April's answer? I didn't even see it. Dude. No, 6x is 3 squared. Well, for the Pythagorean theorem, this is my hypotenuse. So I squared that and got 36 squared. And I was only doing that triangle because that's a right triangle I can use. Yeah, so I had to put 6x. I did 6x times 6x, got 36. That would be 36x squared, Pokar. That'd be 36x squared. And yeah, exactly. So this actually would not be contained within a square because as we see, the height is actually 3 rad 3. So this would be contained within a rectangle. So you would take the half of that rectangle, which is what we just did. Oh my gosh. You got 36x squared square root of 3 over 4. Well, 36x squared divided by 4 is 9x squared. So yeah, you're good, April, if that's what you got. Yeah, April's correct. So yeah, April and I got it. What is going on? Why did nobody get this? Okay, let's do another one. Redemption. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Also, how's everybody doing today? Is everybody having a good day? Is everybody just like completely tired as I am? Such a bad start. All right. Hold on. Yeah, I almost like did not do the stream today. I was just like, but I was like, you can do it. Oh, this is looking good, guys. This is looking very good. Look at those lines. Only the freshie of the fresh. It's like when you walk into Subway and you smell that fresh bread. Let's see. Let's say. This would be. Okay, here we go. Let's get it. What's up, Genesis? Thanks, Genesis. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's hard to do problems like this in your head for sure. 32 rad 3. Okay. And that's introvert. Yeah, that's good. You can eat your dinner and like get some knowledge into you're feeding your body and you're feeding your mind. Whoa. 64 red 3. Ooh, getting a lot of different answers. Who was that? Poke? Ashani? 32 rad 3. Rachel? Thanks, Genesis. Yeah, the area of the triangle, bro. Yeah. 32 rad 3. Andrew? What's up, Andrew? Yeah. I can send you French fries. Yeah, just send me an email, dude. I got you. Henry, can you produce that, dude, or is that? I don't even know. I'll put it down. Ah, Poke, you got tricked. Oh my gosh, dude, this pen. This pen is dead. Oh, yep. They don't write, even though there's like still some ink left. When it gets like this, it just doesn't write anymore. It's so sad. I could start like a graveyard of pens that I've gone through with you guys. That'd actually be kind of cool. Crunchy. You like I had another one ready to go right away. Rodney. Yeah, good. Okay, cool. Yeah, exactly. April is dropping some knowledge about 30, 60, 90 triangles, which is kind of cool. It's all good, Andrew. Good to see you, bro. Yeah, the Sheba has made a comeback. Neil, what was your answer, dude? I didn't even see your answer. What'd you put, Neil? Oh yeah, you had that too. I got you, dude. Yeah, yeah, dude. I have 100 million pens that have died, dude. How sad. I like take its soul out of it. I take its like little inky thing out of it, and now it's just I don't know. Okay, so let's go over this one. It's already kind of wide. So yeah, I'm asking for the triangle, not the rectangle. A lot of people thought I was doing the rectangle, but nah. So we have to break this down. Pythagorean theorem. This would be 90 degrees as well. So that would be 60. So if you know that's x rad 3, and 2x, you're actually really good to go. But if you don't, we can do Pythagorean theorem. So check it out. Ugh, what's 16 squared, guys? Okay. I see where you got your answer, Henry. Yep. So b squared equals 192. So we take the square root of both sides. And this is, I mean, we talked about how to do this before, and you have to make a factor tree. So you get 192, and I know it can be divided by 2. Why am I, dude, my brain is so dead today, dudes. What is going on? 9, 18, 1, 2, 6. Okay, duh, 96. That could be divided by 2, and that's going to be 48, 2, 24, 6, 4. Geez, 2, 2, 2, 3. So we have 2, 2, 2, 6. Oh no, I'm sorry. Prime, 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 prime. So really, b equals the square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is a perfect square, perfect square, perfect square. So really, cool. So that's our B. And I'm glad that nobody put that for the answer for sure. But that's how this goes down, because you take the square root of 2 times 2, it's going to equal 2. Same way of take the square root of 4, it's going to equal 2. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just taking the square roots. So now that we know what B equals, we can actually put it into our equation of 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 base times height. Take 1/2 of that, so 4 rad 3 times 8. Yeah, you're going to get 32 rad 3. Good job, chat. That's what's up. Well done, well done. Okay, cool. Yeah, that was a good question. Who dropped that in the chat? That was really good. Yeah, I like that. And we've been talking about 30, 60, 90 triangles, so I might as well go over this just because it can be useful. These are going to be kind of sloppy, but whatever. Because we did talk about common right triangles like the 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13. These are slightly different. And they're both kind of trash, but whatever. So we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And if this is too much information for you, like that's fine, but it also just saves time. So yeah, that's that. Let's say that's 60 up in here. This is 30. Okay, so if this is x and this is x, because it's isosceles, 2 equal angles, 2 equal sides, this is going to work out to x rad 2. And we could do examples to show you, but it's much easier just to kind of memorize this. Likewise, across from 30, the smallest side is going to be x again, but this is actually going to be x rad 3, and this is going to be 2x. So that's a horrible 3. So yeah, these are the two very kind of super common like right triangles. And as we can see in this one, that was actually a 30, 60, 90. This is 3x, 3x rad 3, 6x. And that's the exact same structure as this, where across from the 30 is the a, or across from the 30 is the x. In this case, it's 3x. So then this is going to be 3x rad 3. And this one I've even destroyed even more. Sorry. But yeah, across from the 30 is 8, so that's our x. So then this obviously is going to be 8 rad 3, and you know what? It is 8 rad 3. So if you know 30, 60, 90 triangles, then yeah, you can do that. Cool. Yeah. So yeah. Let me see. Yeah, so these are very common, I guess. So just be on the lookout for these, and also be on the lookout for these, where the angle measurement doesn't matter as much, but it's super, super helpful to memorize these. And these are really all of the right triangles you kind of need to know. So this is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, the side lengths. We don't care about the angles on these. And then this is a 5, 12, 13. All right, guys, these 4 triangles, if you can kind of memorize them, they have the potential to really save you some time on the SHSAT. Yeah, I recycle all my papers, Ashani, so like I just crumple them up and I just throw them in a recycle bin. Yeah. So yeah, it's all good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What else can we talk about? I'm like so brain dead, bros. Another redemption? You got it, Yashin. I got you, bro. As I crumple the paper and throw it away. That's funny. Alright. Let's see if I can find like a hard one for you, though. I'm trying to think of what would be a really hard one. Oh, yeah, that could be cool. Yeah, okay. Let's say this would be All right, let me actually take this so you guys can get a jump on it. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's see here what the chat thinks. Oh, nice. Dude, thanks for watching, Ashani. I appreciate that. Let's see. Don't. Let's see. Yeah, I am gonna make this. Yeah. Well, it's good, Sport Show. You get some practice, bro. All right. So. Nope, too big. Alright, so here, I can't do a timer, but here's the question. The pathway below shows how Amroyo walks to his best friend, the tree. If he flew in a helicopter straight from his home to the tree, going 100 miles per hour, how long would it take him in minutes? Good question. Good question. Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys. Oh, is it really static already? Oh, man. Emroyo. Okay. Yeah, I don't really. Yes, you got static. Congratulations, everybody. Enjoy that static. I can't believe we're actually making it through this stream. I have like, yeah. Half fault is Pat. No, he's gonna. That's how he walks. If he flies straight there. Maybe I should do that. All right. Hopefully that makes more sense. Bad Mom's thumbnail? Who's Bad Moms? Yeah. Wow. It's okay, Sport Show. We'll go over this, my dude. For sure. You can solve it, Jordan. It's solvable. I swear, bro. Just listen to your heart. Jordan, I'll give you one hint, dude. The only thing you need to know to be able to solve this is the Pythagorean Theorem. That's the hint. Yeah, those triangles don't work. You got to be a little creative with it, though. Yeah, because you know, Jane. Oh, dude, Jane. What's up? Okay, Tammy's got 2 hours. So what would that be, Tammy, in minutes? 120 minutes? Saggy's got 25. Saggy, too late, bro. I already saw your 25, bro. Dude, you gotta double check. Yeah, dude, Tammy, then read slow. Like, nothing's wrong with reading slow. Like, it's fine. Just as long as you get through the test. So, practice, do a practice test, pace yourself, and if you can get through it, then you're golden. April. Oh yeah, shout out to April for the thumbnail today. That like totally cracked me up when she sent it. Bob. Skills. Oh, skills. What's up, man? Muster's got 25. Okay. Rachel. How get 60 divided by 4? Neil. Yeah, I know Saggy. Right, exactly, Ashanti. Okay, so let me show you how this one goes down. Oh, geek. Geek in the place to be. Genesis. Nice. Okay, Ashanti. All right, so let's go over this. So, guys, if you try to do the Pythagorean theorem, it's hard to tell how big this leg is. Is this leg 18 and this is 2, or is this 17 and 3, or is this 16 and 4? It's so hard to tell. But what if he didn't turn early? What if he kept cruising and then turned late? Going through your guys' answers, then gets to the tree and the right angle's here. Then we got a nice right triangle. Y'all see that? This right triangle that's coming into shape here? That's a nice right triangle. And we know that since that's 3 up there, this is going to be 3 down here, so this whole side is 15. Now, dudes, did you remember your 3, 4, 5 triangle? Because what our triangle looks like now is 15 and 20. AKA, this is 3 times 5. This is 4 times 5. So this here is going to be 5 times 5, or 25. So that's the distance. And maybe that's what Saggy and Mustard are referring to, but that's not what the question's asking. Because I have a helicopter, or Aim Royo has a helicopter, lucky dude, and he can go 100 miles an hour. So how long will it take him to go 25 miles? Well, that's 1/4 of 100 miles. So it's going to take him 1/4 of an hour. 1/4 of 60 minutes, that's 15. Bang. Good job, everybody. Hard problem. Hard problem. Yeah. Exactly, Mustard. Forgot the 100. Yep, dude. Yep. And that's why I threw that 100 miles per hour thing in how long would it take, because I knew a lot of people would just solve for X and be done. And so, little word of advice here, bros. Whenever you finish a math problem, when you go, okay, I got 25, go back, read the question. If he flew in a helicopter straight from his home to the tree going 100 miles per hour, how long would it take? Oh, because that's his miles. So then you know you can adjust your answer. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people got it wrong. Mustard, Saggy, Tammy, Yeet, but keep working, guys. You guys can get it for sure. Yeah, a lot of people got it right too. So big brain work, bro. Okay, let's do a redemption, but it's not going to be the same thing. It's going to be a hard problem. Yeah, exactly, Ashani. I mean, not even kidding. All right, let's see. Let's say this is Okay. Let's say. Okay. Let's get it. Also, don't forget to like this video if you like these problems and like all this stuff that we're doing here. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I'd super appreciate all the engagement, dude. It helps the channel a lot be featured on YouTube and stuff. And so definitely appreciate, definitely appreciate all the likes and all the subscriptions for sure. Thanks, guys. Yeah, we're almost at 1,000, dude. We're like 90 subscribers away, which is like really exciting because I started this channel when you guys were like not even thinking about the SHSAT. Like I started this in 2016. So I've been like grinding for a really long time and I'm just super trying to get to 1,000 subs. It's hard because I'm not like a company. I don't have like a support or anything, but dang, Rachel. Does spelling matter? No, obviously not. Okay. Take the first answer, bros. Yeah, I saw that. I saw you guys I saw you guys retract your answer. Yep. Can't get it past me, bro. Uh yeah, Bob was here 2017. He was here the first year, weren't you? Rachel, I can't approve that comment, but yes, you're 100% right. That's really funny. um yeah. Mhm. Yeah, I was trying to trap you guys. Yeah. Well, Poke, I don't know. You think it's hard? Think it's easy? I don't know. I stay up at night, late at night, thinking how I can trick the chat. Dude, thanks, Ashani. I want to do more SAT videos too. Yeah. Oh, it's Sports Show. You're about to do a pro gamer move? Nice. I was thinking about making these streams gamers only. What do you guys think? You have to prove you're a gamer. You have to show me your Minecraft base. Neil, Neil retracted, bro. You gotta be faster than that, dude. I saw you, Neil. Yeah. 9 feet? Spore show, that's a pretty big gamer move, dude. Yeah. You got to finesse that, boy. Yeah, Rachel. I'll put parentheses around you. Okay, so let's go into this and how to do this one because we already hit the hour. All right. So, guys, it doesn't matter if I add more water or if I add a brick. What I'm doing is I'm adding volume. So first let's find out what the volume of the water in this tank is already, and that's length times width times height. That's 20 right there, and that's 80. So 5 times 4 times 4 equals the volume. That's 20 times 4 equals the volume. 80 is the volume. Okay? So we're going to add in this brick. That's 2 by 2 by 5. What's the volume of the brick? Well, the volume of the brick is going to be 2 times 2 times 5. That's going to be 4 times 5. That's going to be 20. That's the volume of the brick. So when I combine the brick with the water, I'm creating a new volume. So when our forces combine, that's going to be 100. Okay? Now, the base can't change. It's made of glass. It literally cannot change. So our new volume is 100. Our length is 5. Our width is 4. We don't know what our new height is, so we're just going to put h. Okay? So 20h equals 100. And so h equals 5. So this is where I tricked you guys. I totally tricked you guys. Yeah. So I asked for it, how much will the water rise? How much will it rise? Not how high will it be, but how much did it rise? It's at 4 feet, and then it goes to 5 feet. That's only 1 foot difference, bros. So that's why it's 12 inches. Henry Jane, an introvert. That's the correct answer. Because it's how much did the water rise, not how high is the water. That's the big difference. Yeah. Dude, thanks, Ashani. Woo! Yep. That's what's up. That is what's up. How much will it rise? Not how high is it. It rises 1 feet. When I throw the brick in, the water rises 1 foot. And so it rises, and that's what Rachel put, 1 foot. So I guess Rachel's kind of right too. But I asked for it in inches. Inches, 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 bros. Yeah, yeah. April. Oh, I know, Rachel. I know. But I just take the first answer anyways. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's how this one goes down. Should I do a redemption? All right, just because Yashin asks. Yeah, don't get finessed, guys. I don't know why I crumpled these pieces of paper. I really should just be saving these and putting these in a book. I don't know what I'm doing, but I just like doing the problems just for you guys, honestly. I don't have no interest in making a book. I just like doing problems for you guys. Okay, so yeah, how much did the water rise? Not how high is the water. So yeah, exactly, Jane. You don't need to consider the existing water. Uh-huh. Tammy, what are you looking for an explanation for? Yeah, Saggy, pushing that enter button. Yeah, Bob, that's nice of you to explain on the Discord, man. Also, yeah, check out the Discord. Study put it together, and there's a lot of really great questions on it and resources on it, and I drop in every once in a while just to say what up. So yeah, that's what's up. All right, let's do a redemption. Redemption time, bros. Time to redeem yourself. Okay. Let me actually put this together so it's not just like a derp problem here. Okay, cool. All right, let me write this over here so you guys can't get a rip on it. Okay, cool. Let me see here. April, you should make an SHSATs type video. That'd be cool. Yeah. Yes, and yes, Rachel, Samoyed are fluffy. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, here's the question. A rectangular tank has a base of 5 feet by 2 feet. That's a 2. I'm so sorry. I regret everything. It holds 40 gallons when it is full. If I remove 15 gallons from the tank, how high will the water level be in inches? Let's go. Thanks, Genesis. Redemption, man. I'm taking your first answers, so make sure you get it right. Yeah, Ashana, you can email me whenever you want. I got you. Sorry, Yeet. I only take the first answer you give, April. Ashani. Dude, the redemption. Neil. Bob. Dude, the redemption is so real. 2.5 times 12. What is that, Skills? Shod? Dude, Shod. What's up, man? It's been a minute. Muster? The redemption is so real, dude. It's so real. The redemption is so real. Yeah, good job, everybody. Genesis? And I know you got 30, Yeet, but I gotta take the first answer. Laurel, what's up, Laurel? Geek? Dude, the redemption is so real. Urgh, love it. Wow. Dude, I did not think I was gonna make the full hour today, but yeah. Good job, bro. Really, really good job. You guys were crushing it. That helps a lot. Okay. Okay. I think that's everybody. Wow. Definitely leave a like if the redemption is real. Smash that like button. Okay. Cool. So let's go over this one. Yeah. Oh, Jane, you got it too? Nice. Okay. Watched a live stream yesterday. You were in Canada? Oh, nice, dude. Oh, introvert. Did I forget you, dude? You get 32? Sorry, man. The chat was just going really fast. Wiz got 42. Okay, Wiz, I got you. Felt like Bob yesterday when he was just like 42. Mustard's got it too. Yep. All right. Yeah, Rachel, you earned your name back. So exciting. Okay, so let's go through this. So we first have to ask ourselves originally the length, width, and height. So we know the length, we know the width, we don't know the height, but we know it has 40 gallons in it. So that means 10H equals 40. Divide both sides by 10. H equals 4. So that's how high it is now. Okay? We don't really need to know that, but it's kind of cool to know. Actually, we do not need to know that. Because we removed 15 gallons. 40 minus 15 is 25. Okay, so we got to do that with the new length and width and height. Okay, so 25 equals 10H. Divide by 10, divide by 10. And we're going to get 2.5 equals H. Now, I'm really glad nobody put that as an answer because that's in feet, not in inches. Don't get tricked. So we have to do the 12 times 2.5. 10, 6, 0, 4, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2. Put a decimal place in there. Oh, wow. Did I ever mess that up? Wow. That's definitely not 20. It's definitely 30. 10, 1, 5, 16. Oh, that's just, yeah, that's just that. And then 2 is 4. 2. Oh, it's 2. Doi. Okay, cool. So that is a 3. So yeah, 30. 30 in the place to be. Yeah. Good job, chat. The redemption is absolute real. So how'd I turn 40 gallons into feet? So dude, 40 gallons is the volume. Length times width times height equals the volume. We don't know the height. We know the length and the width, the base of the tank, but we don't know the height. So we figure out the height by length, width times height equals the volume. 10h equals the volume. Divided by 10, each h equals 4. So that's how you do that. That's how you turn gallons into feet, because depending on how big the base is, it's going to affect the height. Because if this base is massive, like as big as the floor of a building, 40 gallons is not going to fill it up at all. But if it's like a little glass, then 40 gallons is going to fill it up super tall. So it matters what the base is. Yeah. I might be going to the Discord today. I have to do like run some errands and stuff. Yeah, thanks, Genesis. If you guys follow me, I will let you guys know what my TikTok account is. I like to do, lip syncing and, dancing. Yeah, so very close. You guys are funny, man. Cracking me up. But yeah, the redemption is absolutely real. Okay, so yeah. Let's see here. So yeah, dudes, if you are new to the stream, welcome. We're going to be grinding for the next 50 or so days, dudes. Okay. I need a shorter email address. Okay. You guys know what I'm talking about here. All right, cool. Yeah. And so yeah, people are asking me, Ashani, that's my email. You can hit me up at any time. Yeah, and I definitely got you. Yeah. Thanks, April. Yeah, I really did not think I could make it through today. I was like, yeah. So yeah, dude, we're gonna do a party stream at 1K subs. And I don't know what that's gonna be. It might be like an all-day weekend stream where I like stream all weekend or whatever. 59 days, is that it, Pokar? Really? Dude. Yeah, that's crazy. So yeah. To do a sleight of hand magic trick. Okay, Jane, I could do that, bro. Yeah. So I'm really trying to hit this 1K subs so that I could actually be a real YouTube channel. It's like Pinocchio, how he just wants to be a real boy. I want to be a real YouTube channel. So definitely tell your friends that you want to go to yeah, definitely tell your friends you want to go to the SHSAT schools with. Yeah, this is absolutely the iconic ending. I'm gonna have to be getting out of here. Yeah. Yeah, I could do extra hard, dude. If I get to 1K sub, if we get to 1K subs, then I will do the most legit stream you guys have ever. It'll be like a jet stream. It'll be like a golf stream. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, and I might do Kahoot too. That would be cool if, for the 1K subs. Yeah, so definitely tell your friends, drop a like if you haven't already on the videos. That helps a lot with the analytics and stuff. Yeah, and tell your friends that you want to go to the school with you. So if you want them to join you at the school and you want to make sure they get in, let them know about this channel so they can study with you. And then we're also going to be doing OG streams and stuff like that. We have a lot of stuff coming up in the next 2 months. So yeah, it's going to be really cool. All right, man, I got to get out of here. I can't believe that I've even made it this far. But yeah, I think I'm going to go to sleep, and I'm going to sleep forever. So see you guys.